If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'll be showing you guys how I slayed this makeup. This is my new makeup technique and I want to show you guys how I've just achieved such a flawless beat. So if you guys are interested in how I got this look, just keep watching. Starting out with my makeup, I always wipe my face, taking off anything that's on my skin. I love to use Noxzema and I just do this every time I do my makeup. Now I did take a class with a Nigerian based makeup artist and she's amazing. The Nigerians in Nigeria have been killing it when it comes to makeup, and I was like, I need to take a class with a bomb makeup artist in Nigeria, and I did. So I'll be bringing these tips all the way from Nigeria for you guys. So make sure you guys give it a like. Give this video a like because I'm going to give you guys some tips on how I do my makeup now. My makeup has been slaying. I am super proud of how far my makeup game has came. Once I'm done with that, we're gonna go in with some hydration. I'm gonna be using the Tatcha. This is the Tatcha water cream. If you're doing your makeup, regardless of if you're oily or not, make sure you moisturize your skin, okay? Primer, I'm also gonna use the Tatcha. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas. And what I do is I just apply this on my face. I actually really love this primer. It is so soft on the skin and it definitely like shrinks your pores. As you guys can see, my skin has came a long way. If you've been following me for a minute, you know my skin has come a long way. My skin used to be so like I don't know, I used to break out a lot, and then a whole bunch. I've done everything to my skin, everything to get it to be clear, and right now it has been, this is the clearest my skin has ever been in a long time. For foundation, I'm gonna be using my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, and my color is 13.25. Now I do a shade darker because when you put your concealer and everything on, everything just kind of works. This is what I've been using. I've been loving this foundation. Before I actually apply foundation, what I do is now I apply bronzer, then I go in with the foundation. So I'm just gonna apply it. So because I do have lace on my head, I am not gonna go anywhere near my lace because I don't want it to get gunky with products. So I just put it on my forehead instead. Just a little bit close, but making sure I'm not getting anywhere near the lace. As you guys can see, it looks good. And then I'm just gonna go on my cheeks. And when you're doing your cheeks, you want to make sure you're making like a C. So you're going this way, upward, and then you're hitting your chin as well. But you want to make sure everything is connected so it doesn't look, you know, crazy. We do this for the same side. You guys can see my bronzer kind of matches my skin color a little bit. It's just a shade darker. And now I'm gonna apply my foundation on the areas that I don't have bronzer. For blush, I do liquid blush, and I do this before I put on my concealer. I use the color Peach in the ABH liquid blush. I just put it like that, and then I use this IT Cosmetics brush in the number 03 and I just apply it to my cheeks. Mind you, I have lace, so I have to be really careful when it comes to like my products. So let's make sure we are shifting it. So. And it's like really subtle. It's like a pretty peachy color. I use the Too Faced concealer. Once this is finished, I'm gonna look for a new one. Another thing is I use one of these sponges to actually blend in my makeup. I love it. I was using beauty blenders before, but ever since I started using these pads, I haven't gone back. So what I do is I just kind of press it, take my blender, my triangle thingy, and what I'm doing is I'm blending the edges of my concealer so it doesn't look too crazy. Like that. Then I'm gonna do that for the forehead too. Then I normally take like my foundation brush and just like dab it so it looks. It looks so good. So now what I do is I go in with a lighter shade concealer, and the one I use is the Juvia's Place one in the color 18. I just put a dot on my eye, and that's just to help brighten it up like a little bit. Once I'm done with my base, which is my concealer, my contour foundation, just like the liquid ones, I go ahead and use the Morphe Continuous Mist, and I use that for my entire face. And as you guys can see, the base already looks good. Like, it looks so good. I haven't put any powder or anything, but this is like the most important part of your makeup, your base. It has to look good. So before I set powders, I still use the sponge that I use my concealer. I make sure I go in under my eye and just like really make sure there's no creases before I add the powder. And then I use a completely different sponge to actually set my powder. And the powder I use is the Laura Mercier in the color Translucent Honey. Now I still use my good and faithful MAC powder. I use Dark Deepest, and I use that to kind of like make everything look like it's making sense. So I'm just gonna pat it on my face. And this is when I want a really good beat makeup. I do this. So I'm just gonna make sure. Remember, don't touch the lace, okay? Just keep it like right down there. right underneath the lace. Don't touch the lace, don't touch the lace. So all I'm doing is I'm just applying a little bit so it looks like it's highlighted, but it's not looking like, you know, it's not that bright. So just gonna, now look at the base. Look at the base. Okay, so now we're gonna use my favorite blush. It is the Creamy Peach by Make by Marielle. Love her down. I'm gonna be using my MAC. No, this is my Sephora brush. I don't know what color. Oh, number 74. Sephora brush number 74. I get a good amount of blush on my brush, like a good amount, guys. And all I do is I just take from down here and I pat it. I apply first, and then once I've applied it, I just go ahead and dust it off in a way. And as you guys see, I'm applying my blush. Look, wow. I'm gonna use my Sephora bronzer. This is this one. They sell it at Sephora. It's really good. I think it's like $10. And the color Coconut Retreat. Very pretty. Getting to the brows, I am using my NYX brow pencil in the color Espresso, and I'm just gonna do my brows. I go underneath my brows first. Then above. I'm gonna go in with like a brown color. When I do my everyday makeup or do makeup in general, unless I'm doing something super serious, I go really basic, really basic. So I start from the back, and then I don't do that. I'm gonna use one of my fluffy brushes to blend that out because we don't want that. But yeah, I start from the back and then I bring it forward like that. I'm taking the eye blender by Bobbi Brown. I've had this brush for about 10 years. Bobbi Brown brushes are amazing, period. It doesn't shed. Still kept this density. Let me show you guys. Bobbi Brown brushes, worth it. Maybe it's because I used to work for them. Hold on, I have to show you guys this. Okay, perfect. Their brushes, anyways, whatever. The brushes are amazing. I love a good makeup day. I just love it. I love it so much. I'm gonna be using this light color. It's called Just Barely, right there. And I'm putting that on my lid. I have no eyelids. So when it comes to my eye, I don't be doing too much. I do just enough. So I'm just gonna bring it forward, like right here. Like right here. I have really tiny eyes, so I don't go too crazy with the liner, like ever. So I put on my lashes. The lashes I'm wearing is from Kiss. I will link it down below. Everything will be linked down below, guys. Don't even worry about it. So now let's set our face. I haven't put my mascara on my bottom lashes. I don't do that until after I've set my face, because if I would have put on mascara and then set my face, it will look a hot mess. So we don't want that. So in order for the, you know how like you get like the raccoon eyes, to avoid that, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my makeup first. We love a good Charlotte Tilbury moment. She's that girl. So while my face is setting, what I actually do, and this is just preferences, you don't have to do this, but if you really want your makeup to look perfecto, I use the Laura Mercier powder in the color Rose, and I give that under my eyes to give me that brightness. So just take my brush. We don't want too much of that. And then I wait for my face to dry, which I think it's already dry. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and place it underneath. Like that. The face is already sitting. I'm already done with my makeup. I do want to add a little bit of the highlighter. I think this is the something balm from Fenty. I'm gonna use that on my face. I love when it gives it like a nice glitter moment. Ooh, pretty. My lip liner is my go-to. Whenever people ask me what lip liner I'm using, it's this one from Sephora. It's called Molasses. It is so gorgeous. And for lipstick, I'm actually just gonna wear my YSL lipstick. This is the color 44. It's so pretty. And we're done. This is basically how I do my makeup, my new makeup routine. I know I've told you guys I was gonna do one, but I was busy being a mom and being pregnant. And now that I got my energy back, I was like, the first thing I'm doing is giving them a makeup routine, okay? Because the face has been given, okay? The face has been given. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I love how my makeup turned out. I'm gonna list everything that I used in the description down below, and I hope you guys try it out. If you do try the makeup out, tag me on Instagram, girl. Tag me. I want to see you guys recreate this look. I want to see you guys recreate my new makeup technique, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.